Welcome back to Mumford Restoration, and we're proud to show you a Steinway commemorative edition that we've just restored. And so we're at the final stage now, so you can take a look that this is a Steinway Grand 1995 commemorative edition, and it has the disc player. So this is a pretty cool player version. It was left in the sun and the entire finish cracked over the whole top. All the lacquer had checking and cracking and fading. So we've done a complete restoration. You can see that this is a brass Steinway decal, and we put finish over it. The customer has chosen a semi-gloss. You can see that it has a little more shine than most of what we do. Most folks choose satin. This one is semi-gloss. And we have completely restored all of the mahogany and the walnut to a beautiful result. It's kind of exactly as it was from the factory. You can see that we've cleaned the plate, but this is not an old piano. This is one from the 90s, but it was in very bad shape. Right over here is the lid. So we're about to put the final screws and bumpers and so forth, and you can see that the mahogany is just in beautiful condition. It has a semi-gloss shine, has fluted legs, and it has also a fluted bench. And so this is quite a project. We hope to be restoring more and more Steinways as we go along. We are in the process of learning more about what is the standard results for a Steinway Grand. Thanks for watching. So now we have the Steinway Grand back together, and we wanted to show you the final result. Here's the pedal lyre. You can see that the brass has been all finished in satin. It has the same fluted legs, and they matching the fluted legs of the bench, and now the bench is together, and the piano lid is on. So we wanted to just show you that this has just turned out fabulous condition. Just an excellent result. And we are excited to be delivering this. In fact, it's going to be packed up in the next hour and delivered to the customer. And remember, this is the 1995 commemorative edition of the Steinway Grand, and it has the disc player. So thanks for watching.